In this lesson, you'll learn how to add a chart to a report. I'm logging on as the user Susan May, and you can see from the interactive dashboard that's displayed when she logs on that reports can have charts associated with them, which can then be included within the interactive dashboard. I'm going to add a chart to an existing report that we can find underneath the reports area within the general category, and the report is going to be the company list by type. If we run this, we'll see that this particular report, when we run it, is a simple list report. It has no information in chart form displayed at the top. But what I want to be able to do is to take a report that exists already and add a chart to it. Now, to do that, I need to close down the report, cancel out of this area, and then come back to look at that report, but enter it as edit mode. So in order to do this, the user will need to have info manager rights or system administrator rights. So you need to have the permissions to be able to edit or create a report to do this. Now, there's nothing about the charting that appears on the first screen. So if we move off from the report options into the second screen where we see the search criteria, again, there's nothing displayed here. It's in fact on step 2 where we have got our report that we can navigate to the bottom of the page. And we'll see at the bottom of the page where we've got the chart options displayed. So what I want to do here is to say I want to show the chart, and my particular chart that I want to be able to represent is the number of companies of a particular type. So I've got the option of a wide range of different chart styles that I can use. Simple line charts, vertical bars, horizontal bars. I can choose donut, pyramid and funnel types, but I'm going to use the classic pie chart, and what I want to be able to do is now identify which columns I'm going to use to display the actual value and which is going to contain the aggregate information that I want to use. Well, I'm going to count out the number of company names there are of a particular type of company. So I'll just say that this is going to be the companies within the legend, and that's going to be the count of the company name by each type of company. So I need to find my company type. So I look through here, there's the company type, and I'll enter type as the label, and that's going to be the actual value. And I could make this available on the interactive dashboard if I wanted to as well. So once I've chosen this, I can then save my report. And when I run this now, if I look at my company list by type, we'll have added in to the top a new simple pie chart. So adding in a pie chart is very simple. We can see the information that is displayed. So in this lesson, we've seen how we can add a chart to a report.